Many people just think that editing is basically about adding clips and all that on a timeline. Well, that's not really editing. We're going to be talking about that in this week 10 of Videos Magazine, last edition. Videos Magazine. Thanks so far. And if you haven't watched the episodes, I recommend you click on the playlist or the link in this description to watch the videos. A video editor is just basically a storyteller, and a video editor controls how the video is being paced and the emotion of the story. Wait, what am I even doing here? Get me out of here. A wedding video isn't just a footage. A YouTube video isn't just content, but it's a connection between the creator and the viewer. And also, the documentary isn't just interviews, it is a message. And all these are all shaped by the invisible artists in the video editor. Viewers don't usually praise or perfectly timed cuts or seamless transitions. They are just feeling and enjoying the story of the video. Yeah, over the past few years, a lot has changed in workflow. AI has brought easier things, but still, there are still some things AI can do that man can also do, and there are still some things that man can do that AI can't do. When I talk to the viewer, that's what. So the moment you create a video, the viewer getting the main information from the story or the video, just make sense. One thing we know, people still love the story, but if you don't do it right, they won't get it right. But like I said earlier, AI seems to impregnate about creativity, vision, and human understanding remains the great art of storytelling. So as a video editor, your real job is to cause videos, make people laugh, and let them feel the story. Yeah, I'm not only basically a video editor, I'm also into videography, basically creating cinematic content. I'll drop my TikTok link and my Instagram link in the description so you can go and follow those my accounts. But you see, I just decided to use this 10 weeks to teach basically for video editing. I'm also will be sharing some videography tips also on this channel. Stay tuned for more. When you understand this your real job, editing becomes more than a skill, it becomes an art. As we conclude the Video Editors Magazine, remember this: cameras will evolve, software will evolve, AI is currently evolving, and that means that you as a video editor, you have to know your job. You see, as a video editor, you just have to know your job and be focused. Create stories that will make people feel and remember that particular story forever if you want to keep girls called up for works. But as long as stories exist, great video editors will always matter, because beyond the timeline lies your true purpose.